First and foremost, I want to ask, how long does it take to train an Air Force soldier? Right, because some time ago there was a news that hit the internet in which some Air Force soldiers mistakenly bomb some civilians on an attempt to bomb some bandits. Right, according to them, they said that they thought that the place was filled with bandits, and that was why they dropped the bomb in their midst, not knowing that the place was actually filled with civilians. Right, and during that incident, a lot of people actually came out to defend them that it was a mistake. Now, a few hours ago, there was also another one that happened in one of the community in Niger State, right? According to the report that I gathered, they said that there was an attack between some bandits and some vigilantes. So during the face-off, it happens that some Nigeria Air Force came into the scene. Guess what they did? They dropped a bomb in the midst of the vigilantes, thinking that the vigilantes were the bandits. And that was how a lot of vigilantes were injured and some died. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for quick updates. And for some of you that is here to see that video and the picture and the number of casualties, click on my description. It is going to take you straight to my Telegram link. You are going to see the video and the pictures there for evidence.
Nigerians, the Nigerian Air Force don't make another mistake. Like, they don't make another mistake. Instead of to bomb bandits where they fight vigilante men, they bomb vigilante men where they fight bandits. Guys, you know the story. If they hide them, the English Alhaji go they bring them out. The federal government of bandits media no go tell na this thing. But like I always tell you guys, I got your back. As they hide them, we go bring them out. Guys, at this point, we need to ask questions. So, like seriously, I'm not going to discredit the work of the Air Force. Air Force, they try. Yeah, they try. Because last week, they record some kind of victory where I post them for my Telegram. But this is their constant mistake where they make. Remember the other one where they make? The other one where happened on the 10th of May 2026 for Zamfara State, where almost 100 people, 100 innocent lives were lost. You don't understand? So many other mistakes we don't record. Like from the Air Force, if you talk, then go try to turn in narrative, say, now bandits they go the markets, now this, now that. And they ask myself, say, is it now when I know they feel differentiate between bandits and Nigerians? When I don't forget, what they call it, something where they differentiate between bandits and the innocent Nigerian. So for how long will this mistake continue to happen before I go correct them? I've been when I know they were trained. Because don't be like this, the American Air Force they do now. Every time, mistake. Now, make I give you the Fujis. Yesterday, will be the 20th of May, 2026. This thing they happened between yesterday and today. You don't understand? So bandits attack this Kawo Ushama. This community they under Rafi local government area of Niger State. You see, we actually break it down for you. Now, after May, you go do verification. So as they attack that community, the local vigilante men of Kawo Ushama engage these bandits. They begin to this thing they happen for near that Kagara axis. They begin to like return fire for fire, fire for fire, fire for fire. The next thing, Air Force come to support. Air Force come to support. So now when they ask whether that support will come to support, you cannot really understand. They can't leave the people where they come to attack. Can't go drop this thing for the vigilante men body. They go drop fire for the vigilante men body. They call Osama vigilante. Go to my Telegram. This thing not go allow me to post them here. This thing policies here. Go and see the people of these vigilante men, innocent civilian security. We want to defend their people. Go see what the Nigerian Air Force do them. Burn them fire. They go call a mistake again. Or they go try to turn the narrative. But this one's now local vigilante men. And they go try to hide them. They go want hide them from the public. The media not go to carry this kind of news. Now why we they here? Now why we they? As they hide them, we go bring them out. Nigerian Air Force make una upgrade.
Now, what baffles me is the fact that even with the rate of insecurity that we have in this country, a lot of people still feel so unconcerned. I want you guys to know that security is everybody's business. Don't say that it has not happened to you. We do not pray for it to happen to you. But you must have this consciousness that as far as you are in Nigeria, it is your responsibility to also do any and everything to defend the country because your family is still in this country. Few hours ago, I came across this video of this girl that was crying profusely of how these Fulani are gradually coming close to their state one by one.
Is it that they cannot trace these people? Because now here we do, Justice Craig made a video talking about what you people are feeding our soldiers. How bad those food are. You people trace him, you lure him, you trace him. But why is it so hard for you people to catch these people that are killing our people? Hey, Nigerians, why are we quiet? What can we do? I understand that we don't really, but we should do something before something do us. See, don't say that it cannot be you. These are people's family too. Don't say that God forbid, no. These are people's. What are we going to see? I'm scared because my siblings are everywhere. I cannot imagine them calling me that I should go and find so amount for. I mean, where do I want to go? See, are we going to keep quiet? Children are in the bush. Children. These people, oh God, I don't know what to. I mean, I just keep scrolling, seeing reports about those things, but my mind is not because I'm scared. I have siblings everywhere. I mean, oh God, what can we do? Hey, if this man go enter for second time, what will become of us? This person where they fight for second time, things are this bad. Now think of it, when he eventually enter for second time, he doesn't really care for. I mean, are you people not getting this? What are we going to? Hey, I'm scared though. They are beheading these people and they are posting it online and they cannot trace them. Why is it so hard? Nigerians, oh, hey, you know, it's a different thing. Person sleeping, no wake up, we go. But finding money to build, to go and rescue someone. I'm scared. What are we going to do? People's family. It can be anybody. And things are getting worse by the day. What are we going to do? I'm scared though. I'm scared because I have siblings everywhere. My parents are there. We are just everywhere. What are we going to do? We are getting too quiet though. We should do something. I don't know, but
Now, first and foremost, I want to say that security is everybody's business. Don't just see videos, like this and ignore them, right? I want you guys to like this video and share so that YouTube can push it to a larger audience because a lot of people in this country, they don't have an idea of how bad the insecurity in this country is, right? They are still so free, right? They don't know how close those bandits, those Fulani bandits is to them, right? And secondly, few hours ago, I came across this video of this girl that was so proud of her perfection. Guess what this girl is involved in?
12 million naira na my madam collect for my head for Italy. 12 million naira Nigerian currency. Nothing concern the amount which they collect. My home now today inside room. Man come knock me finish. She go call me come outside. Chelsea, your money remains so amount. See the amount where this one pay. We get book. Let me get this book. This one get this book. As they pay, she they balance them. So your money remains so amount. Now you go pay now like this. Hustle. If not, and any day when you say you know where this one do you, then go beat you. Girls go to beat you. Whether you do your period or you know you must snack. Now continue with the tricky start to do now. Nothing do now for Nigeria where I come now and here say if you do your period you know if you now lie. Go Italy, they go beat you. Continue inside your toto. You must snack. This is a small picking play they do for that place.
Now, it still baffles me that even with the rate of insecurity that is going on in the country, a lot of mothers are still very, very proud to send their children to abroad for prostitution, right? And a lot of those girls, they go there and come back with one disease or the other. And the worst thing is, it is also another man that is still going to marry them at the end, and that man may not know their history. So all I can say is, as a man out there, have this mindset that security is your business, one. And secondly, please and please be very, very careful with the kind of woman that you do your stuff with. I hope you understand. Don't forget to click the link on my description to join my Telegram group. Why? Because I dropped most information in that place that I cannot drop on YouTube. And please don't forget to like this video and share for quick updates. I'll see you guys in my next video.